Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically we are on a South Island trip and we are here in Dunedin. So today I'm going to show you how my Airbnb looks like, and also we will explore Dunedin today because we are now heading towards Queenstown. So our road trip is gonna end today. So let me show you how my Airbnb looks like. So this is the entrance of our Airbnb, and this is the bed, this is the mirror, I think it's the welcome booklet. I put some chocolates in here, and there are some books over there. Check out, they've given up enough quilt, extra iron is there, extra towels are there. This is just the washroom, and this is the bathing area. So yeah, we will now see how the kitchen looks like. This is the entrance door, so they have garden over here. This is a small kitchen with all the equipments and everything. So yeah, now the plan is to see little bit of Dunedin more and then head towards Queenstown. So we have arrived at the Dunedin Botanical Gardens, and let's see how the gardens look like. So this is the Dunedin Botanical Garden, and it's the map. Here you can come and just take the map from here itself. So there are maps available here. You can just take it out, one map, and now we'll see what's there. So we are basically here at our car park, and there are lower garden. Parrots from Australia and New Zealand come around here. So there is winter garden, glass house, Lister garden, theme borders, rose garden, water garden. So come on with me, let's explore Dunedin Botanical Garden. So we have arrived the Mediterranean garden, and you can see the Mediterranean style fountain and benches are there, and the view from this garden is amazing. Here it is written, you can notice the symmetric design of this terrace and fountain. Balance and symmetry are key features of this garden. So they were developed by wealthy people who could afford to live up in the cool hills. So as it is mentioned, it is looking to me quite symmetrical. So this is the fountain of the Mediterranean garden, and you can see the city view from here. Wow, the city looks so amazing. So we have reached South African forest, and as you can see, there are a lot of flowers here. When the sun rays will fall upon these, they will bloom, as the sun is still not up yet, so it's not coming in this zone. But yeah, we can see different colors here, and this is sky blue color with yellow flowers. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So we have reached aviary and they have a lot of birds. So one is South Island Kaka, and you can see they are sitting over here, and there are a lot of birds here in this aviary. Kias are there and different species are there. This chattering lorry, and it has come from Indonesia, and you can see the colors of them. Oh my god, they are so pretty. And here are another birds. There's so many birds over here. There is king parrot over here. Then this one is Barbary dove. Then there are pigeons. There is musk lorikeet and Borg parrot. My god, these pigeons are huge in size.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello. Okay, so this is a sulfur crested cockatoo, and she loves actually company of people. So she talks as well to people. And here she is. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
So red-tailed black cockatoo, and here it is blue and gold macaw. Oh my god, the size is so huge. And here we have red-tailed black cockatoo, and their size is also so huge. And here we have a scarlet macaw, and here you can see how huge it is. Here we have eclectus parrot. Oh my god, this parrot is so huge. Scarlet macaw. They are upside, if you can see.
Stunt कर रहे हैं.
Wow.
Hello.
Cookie. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Me too.
These are the king parrots. So we have arrived at the lower botanical garden, and you can see sun is up and it's so green everywhere. So now we're gonna go to that winter glass house, and there are a lot of ducks there. So let's go and explore. If you are anyone who's interested in botany, then you must visit these gardens, because they have these kind of nomenclatures. So the common name is there, in the middle there is botanical name, and on the right hand top corner it is coming from which place it is mentioned. So yeah, if you are a lover of plants and botany, then you can visit these kind of places. So we are here entering the winter garden glass house. Oh my god. Wow. Yes, it's all heated. It's warm and humid. So it's all covered in this warm and heated place. So this is called winter glass house. Warm and heated. There's the source of water as well here. So this is the central house of this winter glass, and you can find here banana, sugar, coffee, all the things. This is the huge banana one. I found your favorite plant. Ginger.
Ginger. Wow.
So now we have entered this another room. There are a lot of cactus here, and it's kind of giving us the desert vibe. So now we have arrived at the rose garden. Most of the roses are not there yet, but the ones that are there are very pretty.